Oh no. Oh, where we headed after to get you?
To the park.
To have?
Picnic.
She doesn't talk really loud.
I mean, again, try it. A picnic!
A picnic!
A picnic!
This is a picnic!
Hear my awesome idea?
Your perfect idea. We can't say it here because there's somebody right there.
Somebody's watching you?
Yep. Protest.
Here.
So we're turning around because we found the right spot. Has a trash can, has concrete floor, and we got pillows for our asses. We're trying to chill, and the very opposite of chill is happening. We're gonna have to have dinner at home like normal people. I drew a little bit because I got inspired off of some flying balloons, which I see some more flying balloons all the way up there. They just keep going up. I guess I should have started vlogging when we were going out to different countries. I wouldn't be able to tell you why I'm tired. I didn't do no heavy lifting. Like work heavy lifting, I get tired, but this, I don't know. Anyway, I'm on my way to the train. The day looks beautiful. I don't know, it's because of these sunglasses that I've always had. This purple tint gives the luminescent look. They're super cool. Here, I'll show you the Freedom Tower before I start eating. We'll get this shot right here. Oh, sorry for the wind. Best drink ever. That's one of the only shady spots around here, but it's so windy. Messed up my shot. Like this because I have a Frank 8 button. Happy Father's Day to my dad. Happy Father's Day to you. It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to my mother-in-law's. Going to my mother-in-law's today for dinner. She's gonna do a dinner for me. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Hello. Hi. Yo, we frozen, dog.
They can be given their baby a dog toy because it is like a
Kids toy. Heck yeah, mad grandparents have given kids dog toys. Yeah, like to bite on.
dog section.